Hello, plant lovers, and welcome back. If you share your home with a curious cat or a playful dog, you've probably wondered, which houseplants are actually safe for my pets? The good news is that you don't have to choose between a beautiful indoor jungle and a pet-friendly home. There are many stunning houseplants that are considered non-toxic to cats and dogs, allowing you to decorate with confidence. In today's video, we'll explore 25 beautiful pet-friendly houseplants, learn how to care for them, and share a few simple tips for keeping both your plants and your furry friends happy. Before we dive into the list, here's an important reminder. Even plants considered non-toxic can still cause mild stomach upset if a pet chews on a large amount of leaves. If your cat or dog eats any plant and shows unusual symptoms such as repeated vomiting, excessive drooling, or unusual behavior, contact your veterinarian promptly. Now, let's meet our first plant. Number 1, Areca palm. The Areca palm is one of the most elegant indoor palms you can grow. Its graceful arching fronds bring a tropical feel to any room, while remaining safe for both cats and dogs. It enjoys bright, indirect light and regular watering when the top inch of soil feels dry. Number 2, Parlor palm. Parlor palm has been a favorite houseplant for generations. It tolerates lower light conditions and grows slowly, making it perfect for apartments and offices. Its soft green leaves add timeless beauty to any home and is safe for pets. Number 3, spider plant. Spider plants are among the easiest houseplants for beginners. They produce long arching leaves and adorable baby plants that hang from the mother plant. They're fast-growing, forgiving, and completely pet-friendly. Number 4, Boston fern. Boston fern creates a lush, full display that's perfect for hanging baskets or plant stands. It prefers bright, indirect light and enjoys slightly humid conditions. Number 5, Calathea. Calatheas are famous for their stunning patterned leaves. Many varieties gently fold their leaves upward each evening, creating fascinating daily movement. They thrive in medium to bright indirect light and is pet-friendly. Number 6, a prayer plant. The prayer plant gets its name because its leaves slowly fold together at night. Its colorful foliage makes it a beautiful addition to shelves, desks, and tabletops. Number 7, Peperomia. Peperomia comes in many leaf shapes, colors, and textures. It's compact, easy to grow, and fits perfectly into small spaces and is pet-friendly. Number 8, African violet. If you love flowers indoors, African violets are an excellent choice. With proper care, they produce colorful blooms throughout much of the year. Number 9, Phalaenopsis orchid. These elegant orchids produce long-lasting flowers in many beautiful colors and is safe for pets. They are surprisingly easy to care for once you understand their watering needs. Number 10, baby rubber plant. Don't confuse this plant with the common rubber tree. The baby rubber plant belongs to the Peperomia family and is considered safe for pets. Its thick, glossy leaves give it a clean, modern appearance. Number 11, cast iron plant. As its name suggests, the cast iron plant is incredibly tough, safe for pets. It tolerates low light, occasional mist waterings, and changing indoor conditions. Number 12, friendship plant. Friendship plants have beautifully textured leaves and grow into compact, bushy plants. This pet-friendly plant is perfect for shelves and small decorative pots. Number 13, polka dot plant. Bright pink, white, or red speckles make this cheerful plant stand out in any indoor collection and is also safe for pets. Number 14, ponytail palm. Despite its name, the ponytail palm isn't actually a true palm. Its thick trunk stores water, making it extremely drought tolerant. Its long, cascading leaves add a playful look to any room. Number 15, bird's nest fern. Unlike many ferns, bird's nest fern has broad, wavy leaves that create a modern tropical appearance. It enjoys warm, humid environments. This plant is also safe for pets. Number 16, Christmas cactus. Christmas cactus rewards growers with beautiful blooms during the holiday season. Its trailing stems also make it ideal for hanging baskets. Number 17, Haworthia. If you enjoy succulents, Haworthia is a wonderful pet-safe option. Its compact rosette shape makes it perfect for desks and sunny windowsills. Number 18, Echeveria. Echeverias produce beautiful rose-shaped rosettes in shades of green, blue, pink, and purple. They love bright sunlight and well-draining soil. Number 19, Burrow's Tail. This trailing succulent features long stems covered in plump leaves. It looks especially beautiful cascading from hanging baskets and is pet safe. Number 20, Blue Echeveria. With its soft blue-gray foliage, this elegant succulent creates a striking display while remaining easy to care for. Number 21, Photinia. Also called the nerve plant, Photinia features colorful leaf veins in white, pink, or red. It prefers consistent moisture and higher humidity. Number 22, Swedish Ivy. Swedish ivy grows quickly and produces graceful trailing stems, making it perfect for hanging planters. Number 23, Lipstick Plant. This pet-friendly, unique plant produces bright tubular flowers that resemble lipstick tubes. Its glossy leaves and cascading stems make it a beautiful decorative choice. Number 24, Bromeliad. Bromeliads add bold tropical color with their long-lasting blooms and attractive foliage. Most varieties thrive in bright, indirect light. Number 25, Bamboo Palm. Our final plant is the bamboo palm. Its elegant feathery fronds bring a tropical atmosphere indoors while being safe for both cats and dogs. It's an excellent choice for living rooms, offices, and bright corners. Even with pet-friendly plants, it's a good idea to place delicate plants where curious pets are less likely to knock them over. Use sturdy pots to prevent tipping. Avoid chemical pesticides or fertilizers that pets may come into contact with. If your pet enjoys chewing plants, consider providing cat grass or other pet-safe greens as an alternative. Healthy pets and healthy plants can absolutely live together. Creating a beautiful indoor garden doesn't mean sacrificing your pet's safety. With these 25 pet-friendly houseplants, you can enjoy lush greenery while giving your cats and dogs a safer environment to explore. Which pet-safe plant is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more indoor gardening inspiration, and share it with fellow plant and pet lovers. Thanks for watching and happy growing!